So beautiful. ¡Caros novios! Oh my god.
This the solution how to take out the ring. This is where our video tutorial starts. Okay, what we need, a long string, maybe 100 cm. Okay. Okay, second, what we need, a toothpick or maybe a sharp things like this. At least can support the string go to under the ring.
And the last but not least, the ring, when the ring is get stuck in your finger.
First, put the string over the ring. After that, use the sharp material to push the string until you can pull the string at the other side.
You can take my heart for a walk on the beach. You can take my heart for a little trip. You can take my
Then,
heart
you can start
very
to tie
close
the
to your
string
heart.
around your finger, but
You
don't
can take
tie
my
too
heart
tight. After your
forever
finger
if you like.
will not working because the blood
But
stop
not
from flowing to your
every
finger.
heart belongs to any other. You and I are meant to be. I'm the one for you, you're the one for me. You love me as much as I do. When you look at me and we're skin to skin, I want you so. Please come in, and you love me more and more. And my love grows up with you, and you kiss me more and more. And I kiss you too, and I kiss
Lastly,
you too.
pull the string. Follow how you tie the string over your finger until the ring really come out from your finger.
If I take your heart, I will cherish it every day. If I take your heart, I will heal these old wounds. If I take your heart, it's to make it happy. If I take your heart, it's forever close to mine.
Thank you guys for watching. We hope you all enjoy this video tutorial, and we hope you all can apply this solution when you get in this same situation.